Happy New Year! I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, and this is my first vlog of the new year. I'm driving to work, and well, we're a few days into January. Today's January 5th, and no court today. Just driving into work to deal with some cases that are coming up for trial in the near future. So what's today's topic? Well, I just checked my email. I had sent a prosecutor some information showing completion of a deferred prosecution agreement, also referred to as a DPA. They do that a lot in Palm Beach and other jurisdictions. It's like a diversion program. So the individual, the client, is on a DPA for whatever crime, some misdemeanor, and had to do like an anger management class, pay some cost of prosecution, and then normally what I do is I just send those documents over to the prosecutor, and it saves court time, right? We want judicial economy. We don't want on a Monday morning the courts to be filled with a bunch of people whose cases could be handled administratively with the flick of a pen, the signature on the bottom of a document. So anyway, I send over the anger management class and the proof of the cost of prosecution, and I just got an email back from the prosecutor, and it kind of just makes me chuckle, because I think as the new people develop with their legal, I want to say, how do I say it? As they grow as attorneys, they start to realize some of the silly things they do. And these are one of the silly things. I send the documents to the prosecutor yesterday, and that prosecutor emails me back just a few moments ago and says, well, I'll do it closer to the court date because your client has to stay out of trouble until that day later in January. I just kind of chuckle inside, right? Because I couldn't even hold it back. I had to write back and say, geez, we, me and the client, were just planning a total crime spree. And this unforeseen delay by you is going to cause us to change our plans. It's just silly. And sometimes I have to laugh about the system that I'm in. And listen, I'm sure that I've done some silly things, or things that didn't appear logical to maybe the other side. But things like this happen especially with younger prosecutors. I mean, we're talking a misdemeanor case that my client's facing. Like, there's nothing to it, no criminal history, just a simple thing. Takes a couple of classes, like online or in person, and pays a $50 fee, and the case is dismissed. Do we really gotta hold that until like the day before? Like, if court's on a Monday, like, is she gonna put it in Friday at 4:59, or wait until Monday morning right before the judge takes the bench to sign the name and dismiss the case? I hope not. I mean, I guess that would be a very zealous prosecutor. But anyway, I just get a kick out of it, so I'm sharing it with you. Happy 2018. I'm looking forward to this year.